All right guys, so today in this video we're gonna get some rims on the new truck. It's gonna be some 20-inch concave rims with some 35-inch tires. We're going to Texas Tires. They said that it's gonna take about a couple hours, and then we're gonna see what the truck looks like. All right, so we currently have 18-inch rims with the regular stock tires, and without a leveling kit you can tell the front is a little bit lower than the back. So I don't like that. I want to make it level and then put some bigger tires and rims on it. Here we go. This is the place. Can't wait. Now we're here. It's called Texas Tires, and I'm super excited. I'll show you what it's gonna look like in a little bit. So they just called me to take care of my balance. I did that. Here's the invoice, and they said a few more minutes and we can see what it looks like with these brand new tires and rims. Stay tuned. All right, they just told me they're done. To fit, they had to remove a little bit of plastic, some trimming, and then this piece of metal that comes down from the fender, they had to kind of bend it in a little bit, and now it's you can see how it got beat up a little, but that's for the sake of these tires to not rub when you're doing a full 90-degree turn. I'm gonna go ahead and use this paint and just kind of use it so it looks black all over the place, and instead of just looking like someone beat up my truck. There we go. So now it looks a lot. All right guys, well, I'm on my way home. The ride is very comfortable and not super loud. We did go with the Toyo tires. I think it's all-terrain or country something. They are more expensive. I think I ended up spending another $600 to $800 compared to house brand of tires. But overall, I'm really happy because it's not, you don't have that rumbling sound while driving on highway, and they're supposed to be really good tires that will last you longer than others. One thing I did notice is my miles per gallon average, it did drop a couple of decimals. I've only been, I reset it, the counter, as soon as I drove off that shop, and right now it's at 12.9. It used to be at like 13.1 for the past few couple weeks that I got it. So hopefully it's not going to make a really huge impact in gas. But yeah, overall I'm really happy. I'm gonna leave some more videos, and so you can see the difference between the stock tires and rims versus these 12-inch rims. Well, the 12-inch wide, and it's a 20-inch rim. These are called concave rims because it's it kind of goes in the center, but on the edges there's no lip. So I really like that look. I know a lot of people go for the huge lip, and you know, don't get me wrong, they do look super cool, but I just thought that wasn't what I was going for. So yeah, I'm super happy. I still have the headlights. I did order some headlights for the truck, so those still have to come in, and then I'm gonna do another video on the installation for those, because that I'm gonna do myself. Hopefully I don't run into any problems while installing them, but it should be pretty straightforward. The only thing I'm really scared of is taking off the grill and maybe breaking some of those clips, but I am gonna try to be really careful, and see you on that next video. Remember, subscribe, like the video, blah blah blah, and all that stuff. This is not gonna become a channel about my truck, but it's just what's happening in my life right now, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So see you on the next one.